honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. I have done a whole braid out tutorial for you on this hair. I wore this hair a few weeks ago, WingsByHergivenhair, which is a new sub-brand of HerGivenHair, and all the details are below on this hair. I will also give you a rundown on the hair specifically. However, this video is specifically me doing a whole braid out tutorial on this hair. So let's get straight into it. Also, it is a few days before Black Friday and already WingsByHergivenhair has got their Black Friday deals going. The same with HerGivenHair, so definitely check out the links in the description box so that you can get your hair at a bargain price, honey. If you do enjoy this video, give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on how you think this braid out turned out on my wig. It's the very first time that I'm ever doing any hairstyle on a wig, particularly a protective type hairstyle, so it should be interesting. But yeah, stay tuned. Definitely comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy. Mwah.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
I literally washed this hair this morning, which is what I always do with all my HerGivenHair. I'm gonna remove my ring and get closer. I'm just gonna pull this a bit more. I mean, I haven't secured my wig, but just for control, I'm gonna pull it here. Oh, but I look funny. Okay, we're gonna just set this aside. So we're going to secure these over here and start from the back. I'm going to do simple braids. We're going to need to hydrate this side. This side is more hydrated than this side, and you can obviously see that. I'm going to use my Vanna Naturals Curl Defining Butter, and obviously this is my conditioner mix. I should have a video on how I mix my conditioner, like an old video. I don't want to be putting too much because remember, this is not on my own natural hair. It actually feels amazing. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it is sliding. It is literally gliding on the hair. Oh, look at that. The hair is soaking up the product so well. Absolutely love it. Even the shine. I'm not going to add any oil to this hair just because I don't want the braid out to look weighed down. I'm going to do chunky braids. I think I need more product near the end. Even if they're white, it's going to dry clear. And then a simple muslento, you know how to braid. I've taught you guys this. Again, if you have not watched my hair videos, go ahead and catch up, honey. So at the end, I'm just going to twist it up at the end. Just like that. There is a bit of shedding. This is how much shedding there is. By the way, Black Friday sales have already begun on the HerGivenHair website. Go ahead and check it out. There are tons of deals, honey. When I tell you that you will have the hair that is perfect for you, go ahead and actually click on the link below to check out which hair is on special, which hair you'd like that you think is fit. There are lots of different hair types as well, but I'm obsessed with this one. So if you're obsessed with this one, honey, get this one. Oh, we didn't twist center. While I do this braid out, to avoid talking too much, I'm going to do a proper voiceover with all the hair details for you. Honeys, while I continue to braid my hair, I just want to give you the 411 on this hair. So, as mentioned, WingsByHergivenhair is a sub-brand of HerGivenHair. This is their more affordable range. Their price range is between $200 and $300. And obviously now that it's Black Friday and everything is on sale, you'll definitely get it at a lower price than that. In terms of the length that I'm wearing, it is 18 inches, and then the hair texture is actually type 3B and 3C. It is curly, and the wig name is a teapot lace wig, which I will show you also in a bit. The hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are deeply bleached, and the lace is a Swiss transparent lace, and the hair is actually 100% Ramy human hair. This is what the inside looks like. You can actually see the teapot. It's got an adjustable band and of course the clips. The next morning I woke up and I was ready to wear my wig, and I was ready to get the braids into a braid out style. I applied got2b glue first, which I shouldn't have done because I left it on for a bit too long. You'll see a bit later. Then I spritzed my hair with my rose water. This is the Yolz Beauty rose water. I usually use it for my face, but what I use for my face is usually very safe for my hair. And then I started working on my head. Now this is the part where I just didn't think about it. I already sprayed on my got to be glued and then spent a lot of time unraveling. Probably spent a good 10 to 15 minutes. So by the time I was done, the glue was dry. So this was a bit of a waste of time from y'all. Skip this step completely. Just continue unraveling. You can actually remove the braids on a mannequin head if you've got a mannequin head or wig head. I actually do have a cap head for my Yolz beauty caps, my Kangol hats, but I prefer actually just unraveling on my own hair. I don't know why. Control. I love control. I'm sure you guys know that. And then I had to reapply my glue and basically, reinstall my wig properly. And obviously I just made sure that everything looks good. I was really impressed by how natural this looks. Listen, it looks like my hair. I was very happy. I don't know if you can tell. I was really impressed. And then obviously I just spritzed a little bit for that extra hydration. Not super shiny, just hydrated. Alrighty honeys, that is it from me. I absolutely love this braid out. It was my first braid out on a wig, and you know what, I didn't do too bad. If you want more shine, at the moment it's got like a natural shine, like the way you'd expect natural hair to shine. If you want more shine, add more oil, but I feel like it might weigh the hair down, I don't know. But if you've got like an elixir or a very light oil, perhaps that can make the hair more shiny. But I really like this. I feel like it looks more natural this way. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely check out Wings by HerGivenHair. All the links are down below. Get those Black Friday bargains, definitely. Their sale has already started, so definitely get yourself this and try out a braid out or a twist out or even a flat twist. I'm gonna try all of them on this hair just because it's really flexible. So you could do whatever style you want, girl. Do what you need to do. All the details are down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I certainly hope you did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.